I'm looking at another spool, and I'm gonna convert this into a umbrella holder dash table, and it's a spool that I also got for free. I sanded already, and now I already prepped it for me to stain it, and I'll stain it with this color. It's a like a wood stain that I got at the Home Depot, and we'll see how that comes out. And in the center I will put the umbrella. So now I'm going to use white paint that I have left over for the stem of the spoon. So this is the outcome of my project, and it's the end of it. As you can see, it's finished. I put my plant on the little plant holder at the bottom, and it's also holding my umbrella. Where you see my Distress Farmhouse industrial table / umbrella holder do-it-yourself project. And again, don't forget to click the like button or see my other videos by subscribing. See you on the other project.